Allie. I'm gonna start making videos. I don't know what I'm supposed to say. I'm 14. I'm in the 9th grade. I'm blonde hair and I have blue eyes because I look like I have black eyes right now. I'm sitting at my friend's house with her annoying music playing in the background. Yeah. Hi. Yeah, she needs to turn off her music. She's so annoying. What happened?
I got cold stuff in my teeth.
And she's eating her ice cream in her fancy little thingies. See, it's like a certain size. It's so tiny. Like, look at that. It's so tiny. It's like, look at the end of the spoon. Like, I don't know. Y'all should comment and say what I should do in the next video because I have no clue. Yes. Comment.